Okay, day 3 in Vancouver. I have 2 meetings today. Long story of what these meetings. Alright, done with the first meeting. It went well. Heading to the next one. I'll tell you later what these meetings are all about. You know, I've heard so many stories about how Vancouver's traffic is bad and all that stuff. Let me compare this to Toronto, okay? DVP 401 Gardner are horrible, and I just drove from Langley to downtown Vancouver in like what, 45 minutes, 50 minutes pushing it, and it just seemed like the distance. Traffic was, and it's a Monday morning, so it didn't seem like it was crazy at all. Sorry, Toronto. Anyway, I'm stepping in for the next meeting, and after that we have a full day planned of, you know, going to Granville Island and a couple of things like that. And the weather is perfect, so it's gonna be a good day. I forgot where I parked the car, and I ended up wasting about 30 minutes trying to find the car. Thankfully, it didn't get towed, but I'm known for my spatial awareness. At least that's what I thought. But I found the car. Everything is good.
This is too like pungent. It's like a little bit like.
We never had oyster before, sure? Oh wow.
Cheers.
I'm looking at it. I'm eating it with my eyes.
So you're eating, so the food's gonna come in your eye.
No, you want to see it first and
I think gelato is like an Italian ice cream.
touch everything.
These are
just the one you like.
Lee's Donuts on Granville Island. The most popular, okay?
Not the ground.
Why don't you put it on this?
Wait, what is that? Is that
can taste it.
Wait, even me?
You can taste it.
Is that, what is that? I think
Even though they were sold out of their best ones, honey glazed and old fashioned. Then
Raspberry.
raspberry filled. It's so good.
Really process.
Back at our airport coffee shop. Hey, Demira and Amoha, I'm making these videos again because of you, okay? So you better be watching. You know, another observation about Vancouver is that the drivers here are much more calm. Like, I've not been tailed a lot. I've not been honked at. Maybe it's a mountain effect. I don't know. They're more chill. This could possibly be my rose-tinted glasses, but that's just an observation. Random information that you won't be able to do anything with, but yeah.
And I thought it was nighttime. I was trying to get back home, and my car shut down in the middle of a road that was going downward. And so I.
Why are you doing that, Silo?
That's because I love Bosch. You know, that's Harry Bosch's classic way of eating a pancake. And I think he flips it too.
Let's finish wiping.
Hi. Hey. Holy, what is going on? He's coming towards us. Hey, don't charge. Okay. This guy's literally staring at us right now. Literally. Just BC things, right?
Every day in DC.
Yeah, just another day. Where are you going? Hey, come back. Oh wow, he's in the house. The other day we came to Squamish and we didn't get the time to go to Shannon Falls and Whistler, so that's our second trip today. That's our second time on the Sea to Sky highway, and it doesn't get old. It doesn't get old at all.
Hey guys, look at waterfall. Let's go. Let's go. Over here, guys. Sure. The water at the rock.
Literally chasing waterfalls today. So we saw Shannon, or you saw Shannon. Next one is called something that I don't remember, but we'll find out. Yeah, it's called Brandywine Falls. What a name, right? Brandywine. Cute, very cute. Also, vlogging on the phone is so much easier than lugging a whole camera around. I don't know how many videos I'll do on the channel, but if I am gonna make videos, it's gonna be on the phone. Welcome to Whistler.
How I did all that.
Because now I can see how dirty it's.
Hey guys, that's actually a wolf.
That's how the milk comes.
Yeah.
You can do everything you can. You can write, you can draw, you can...
I'm just amazed at how calm Whistler is right now. Like the last time we were here in May, it was very busy. I'm guessing the ski season would be the busiest, but Reva has a surprise for us. What's the surprise?
Okay, close your eyes. Come to see, close your eyes. Now guys, open.
Check these. These are bear claws. Real bear claws.
They went at night and then it just went away.
Yeah.
The bad presentation this time.
Feels like winter. It's like a real chill.
And Whistler at night is such a vibe.
I'm gonna start with some salad and put a sausage on my salad and have like a.
Okay, this is our final night in Vancouver.
Welcome to my wedding dinner, guys. You guys weren't at our wedding, so this is.
Hey, morning. This is the day when we leave Vancouver, and it's bittersweet. No, it's not bittersweet. It's just bitter. The last time we were here, it was just... So yeah, the last time around, everything was on point. Food, traffic, weather, and this time it was exactly the same. All of those things were on point, and it was a perfect trip. But we'll be back. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna go get dressed now. Yeah. All right, rental returned, and I'm on my way. See you at the airport. Check-in and security is done, and we're all set. Well, not set because you don't want to go back, but we're all set to fly. Look who I found. Okay, so that felt so nostalgic. Just looking at, I wasn't expecting to see an Air India aircraft. I know they've started via Delhi. I wasn't expecting to see that this morning, so it's a bit of a pleasant surprise. No, no. Raj knows how much Shrey and I love Vancouver, and he's designing us a little something which we can use for, colors are perfect, which we can use for either a hat or like even a patch, right? You can put it on jeans, on a sweatshirt. I'll just show you the first cut of that. So sweet. Alright, back to Toronto. I hope you guys enjoyed the Vancouver series. I don't know when I'm going to be posting next, honestly. But yeah, I'll see you soon, maybe. Who knows? Ciao.